Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video about MATIC. Polygon, MATIC, is a coin that is presently exchanged at $0.643814 per unit, with a market capitalization of $5,117,590,484 that makes it a mid-position digital money. Recently, on May 13, the cost of Polygon remained at $0.601850 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 9.80% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing value. 7 days prior, on May 7, the Polygon market remained at $1.044069 as the aftereffect of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% according to its current standing. A month prior, on April 14, Polygon was evaluated at $1.42, which harmonized with our cost forecast for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Polygon, it addresses a 54.66% cost move. Recently, on May 13, the market capitalization of Polygon remained at $4,723,840,793. Last week, on May 7, the aggregate sum of capital gave to Polygon was laid out at $8,194,757,218. The information from a month prior, enlisted on April 14, shows that Polygon had a market capitalization of $11,088,698,743. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Polygon market added up to $728,982,537. Recently, on May 13, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $1,212,700,189. 7 days prior, on May 7, the force of Polygon exchanging all through the meeting came to $704,730,300. In this digital money market boom, there is another coin that is prepared to stream in the vertical pattern and will hit the $3 focus in the impending days. Further in this video, you will learn about Polygon price prediction, as well as a few normally clarified pressing issues. Indeed, we are discussing the digital money coin MATIC, which is all set to moon like Dogecoin, the most well-known image coin. Here is the point-by-point MATIC price prediction 2022. Right now, MATIC is exchanged at a cost of $1.024, and a couple of days prior it was simply $0.8 coin. So here we welcome a unique complete useful video on it which incorporates MATIC target price prediction, MATIC analysis, and then some. What is Polygon? Polygon, MATIC, is the primary very much organized and simple to involve stage for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure improvement. You can say that it is totally associated with Ethereum and working for it. Polygon really changes Ethereum into an undeniable multi-chain framework. Further related data is accessible underneath and you can understand it. Prior to money management and purchasing any crypto and perusing price prediction of Polygon price, it means a lot to find out about the coin and its future potential. Polygon target price. Based on current subtleties, the principal target cost is $2.5, then after it will hit $3.0, then $3.5. The last cost of this supposition that is $3 which will be hit by Polygon, MATIC, in few days or less. Past outline of coins and the way things were streaming in a vertical pattern. Some of the time the coin confronted unpredictability because of market conduct, however later back in the pattern. The forecast of Bitcoin and numerous different coins, then you might follow this site or bookmark it for what's in store. Polygon price prediction. Technicals of this coin contact the moon, however, it isn't 100% guarantee that the cost will remain in the vertical pattern. On the off chance that you are a current merchant or financial backer, most certainly you are familiar the unpredictability of the market. In this way, there is incredibly plausible that the coin MATIC will confront instability and take some revision in the cost for long-haul development. The ongoing exchanging cost of the token is $1.36 United States dollars. Subsequent to watching this, many individuals are intending to put their cash in this astounding token. Till now you have perused MATIC cost expectation, yet prior to doing anything, if it's not too much trouble, think about perusing these habitually gotten clarification on pressing issues. Most presumably you will find the solutions to your inquiries and get the benefit. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money dealers view market capitalization as a critical marker to be considered prior to going with exchanging choices. It is determined by increasing the absolute number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the ongoing cost of Polygon, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $0.643814. Considering that recipe, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Polygon to be at $5,117,590,484. Which legitimizes its place as the 17th coin among those present on the digital currency market. Which exchanges allow MATIC trading? These are a portion of the trades which are accessible, and you can exchange the token on these trades. The rundown is accessible here, and you utilize these few trades to exchange the token. Binance Coinbase Exchange KuCoin FTX UB Global. What is the future potential of MATIC? The future capability of the MATIC coin is extremely high, and we could see this coin coming to $50 too. The cost of the MATIC coin relies on the number of engineers that are picking Polygon blockchain to fabricate their dApps. In which wallet I can hold MATIC? Discussing where you can hold the token in your wallet. Then there are few wallets. Kindly do your own examination prior to putting resources into this token, and these are only our MATIC cost expectations, which can be exceptionally off base also. Ledger Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance Chain Wallet. Who are the founders of Polygon? Polygon, previously MATIC Network, was sent off in October 2017. Polygon was helped to establish by Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal and Anurag Arjun, two experienced blockchain designers and a business specialist. Prior to moving to its organization in 2019, the Polygon Group was a gigantic benefactor in the Ethereum environment. The group chipped away at carrying out the Plasma MVP, the Wallet Connect convention, and the generally utilized Dagger occasion warning motor on Ethereum. The group included prime supporter of Polygon, Jayanti Kanani. Jayanti, a full-stack designer and blockchain engineer at present, fills in as the CEO of Polygon. Jayanti assumed a fundamental part in executing WEB3, Plasma and the Wallet Connect convention on Ethereum. Before his blockchain association, Jayanti filled in as an information researcher with Housing.com. Fellow benefactor and boss activities official of Polygon, Sandeep Nailwal is a blockchain developer and business visionary. Prior to together beginning Polygon, previously MATIC, Sandeep had filled in as the CEO of Scopuver and the main specialized official of Wellspin Group. Anurag Arjun is the just non-programming prime supporter of Polygon.